Hello and welcome to video number 5, and we're going to talk about some real-life practical application. So in this case, I'm using a landing page builder called ClickFunnels. I'm sure that many of you are aware of this tool. There are many out there like Optimized Press, Lead Pages, and many more. It doesn't really matter what you're using. What really matters is where you put your pixel code. And to give you an example, you need to put your pixel code in the head tags. So I'm going to show you step by step what that looks like. Now, in terms of ClickFunnels, they have what we call cookbooks, which are pre-done funnels. So if I scroll down here, in this case, I'm looking for an email opt-in funnel, or a different name is a lead magnet funnel. So we're trying to generate leads, right? So we're going to click on generate leads. We're going to choose the lead magnet funnel. And it says give people an ethical bribe in exchange for their email address. So we click this here. So a typical lead magnet funnel is just like this, where it's two different pages. One page, which is the landing page, which has the opt-in form on it. And then of course the second page, which has the lead magnet on it for download. So we're going to go down here, and it looks like there's many different types of lead magnet pages. And just to keep it simple, we're just going to choose one. So let's just choose this one here. And in this example, we can see that step number 1, this is the landing page or the lead page. So the customer can see what they're going to get, the headline, some benefits, and they can enter their email address. And of course, step 2, the thank you page. So this is a fairly simple funnel, but I'm going to show you how to place your pixels so that you can track who visits the page, and then of course, who actually opts in. So what we're going to do is click on Get Funnel. Okay, so we have lead magnet, and then of course we have the thank you page. So before we do any of these, what I want to do is go back to the Facebook pixel and to show you what you need to do in terms of how to create a standard event for the lead magnet and for the thank you page. Okay, so the best way to explain this is to open up Notepad here, and we're going to go ahead and grab the Facebook pixel. Okay, so this is what the Facebook pixel looks like. Now I've put X's in replacing my numbers, because your pixel is going to be different. So what we need to do is pay close attention to this line here. So remember, the view content goes on the first page, and then the second page in this case, because they opt in, we consider them as a lead. So we need to track two different standard events, and here's how we do it. So if we go down here and click on view content, and we scroll all the way down, it says script FBQ. So click on copy this, and I'm just going to put this down here. And then we'll get the lead. So we'll go back up here, and we'll look for a lead. And copy the code here and put it in Notepad. And there we go. So what we want to do is we want to create two pixel codes. Before we do that, we're going to take this here. So where it says script, we're going to remove that. And we're going to copy this and place it right underneath this one here. Like that. And then we want to create a new pixel code. We're going to copy and paste that. And then we're going to grab the lead, which is the FBQ. And then we're going to replace the view content with the lead information. All right, so we're going to delete that. And now we have two pixel codes, one for the landing page and one for the thank you page. All right, so how do we go about adding this to our pages? Well, very easy. We just need to highlight that, click copy. In this case, go back to ClickFunnels and edit that particular page. And then, of course, up at the top, you're going to see settings and it says tracking code. We're going to click tracking code, and where it says header code, we're going to place the pixel here. So remember, it's Facebook said, place this in the head tag. So ClickFunnels is easy. It's got a header code and it's got a footer code. So put it in the header code, click X and click save, and that's it. Now, if you're using a different landing page editor, most of the time they're going to say header code. So place that in the header code. So we've done that. The next thing we're going to do is simply copy this code here. And remember, this standard event is the lead, or in other words, somebody who fills out their email address and becomes a lead. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. I'm going to exit out of this page and I'm going to go to the thank you page, click on edit, and we'll wait for it to load. And as you can see, it says wait one more step, go to your email box and confirmation. So in certain respects, this one says, okay, go to your email box and confirm. Click here to download the book. Okay, so this is the actual download page. So if you're doing something like double confirmation, which means they have to confirm their subscription before they actually get something, sometimes in that case, you might have 3 different pages. So you might have the view content page, the second page, and the third page. So the third page would be the actual opt-in or the lead. Now in this case, it says click here to download. So this is our page for the lead. Go to settings, go to tracking code up at the top where it says header code. We'll paste this here. Click X, click save, and that's it. So as you can see here, very, very simple funnel. All you needed to have was 2 standard events, the view content and the lead. So that's the end of this video, but when we move on to the next video, it's going to get a little bit more complicated. There might be more, but we'll see. We'll see you there.
Are you in the USA? Do you know you can easily make $1,000 online daily? Click the link in the description to attain my free webinar.